Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get the Amazon Prime student offer. Whether you're a college student looking for a free shipping or exclusive discounts on Prime Video, music and more, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to hover to your browser and type in Amazon Join Student. What will happen is you will be forwarded with plethora of results, but I want you to click the first option that appears on your screen because this will forward you to a new page. Now, for you to be able to start your 6-month trial, okay, I want you to click the Go to Prime for Young Adults sign up form, okay, because you'll need to enter all the information that is needed. As you may notice, it offers you all these perks and benefits. As you can see, you have the trial courtesy of Grubhub, and after trial, it auto-renews at this specific amount. But don't worry because just click the Try Prime for Young Adults offer, and from here, you can sign in using your credentials. But if you don't have an account here in Amazon, this is a golden opportunity for you to create one. Click the Create Your Amazon Account and just enter the following details: your name, email, password. Make sure that you are using an edu email, so it's valid and it's a lot easier to verify your student status. Okay, click the Create Your Amazon Account. Now, once fully verified, you'll immediately have access to all of the Prime student perks. Okay, like a free 2-day shipping, Prime Video, Amazon Music, and special student-only deals. After your free trial, you'll get the 50% off on the regular Prime price, so you can keep enjoying all the benefits for less. Now, if you are encountering any problems creating and joining the Amazon Prime student offer, you might want to go into the Amazon's customer support. From here, just explain your situation that you are having problems getting your Amazon Prime student offer. Of course, they'll be more than glad to provide details on how to fix your problem. In the meantime, you can of course check some guidelines here, for example, memberships, subscriptions, or communications while waiting for their response. And basically, that's it for today's video. Now you'll know exactly how to get the Amazon Prime student offer and start saving like a pro. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.